Hi my sweet people, today I actually made some oatmeal chocolate cookies, and if you want to know how I made these, then do keep on watching. The items you'll need will be rolled oats, all-purpose flour, brown sugar, vanilla extract, white sugar, baking powder, butter, eggs, baking soda, salt, and chocolate chips. So just get your mixing bowl and add in your butter and your sugars, and then you can start to beat it using a mixer until it turns creamy. My butter was still cold at this point, so it was a bit hard to break down, and the mixer was trying its best to actually break it down to mix it. And yeah, so just continue mixing until it's all creamy, and then we can add in the next ingredients. Once it's all creamy like this, you can add in your vanilla extract. So we're using 1 tablespoon here, and then you will need 1 large egg and just an egg yolk. So 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. Once they're all combined, you can add in your rolled oats. So in the recipe I saw you can also use the quick oats, but I'm more of a fan of rolled oats. So actually doing this recipe I was already a bit not really interested, because oatmeal is not my thing. I hate overnight oats, and oatmeal just is something that I would have never tried, and I love cookies, but even at Famous Amos, I don't even eat those oatmeal cookies, so this is a first for me. So after you have added in all of these items, you can add in your flour slowly. So I added in around 4 small batches each time, so that it doesn't fly out of the mixing bowl. And yeah, so at this point it's already a bit thick because of the rolled oats already. So just carry on mixing it until you've mixed all of your flour in. Once you have added in all of your flour, you can add in your baking powder and your baking soda together with your salt and just continue mixing. Once all of the ingredients are in, it will be a bit tough to mix already. So like here you see it's quite thick, the batter. So I'm just going to stop beating and go on to using my hands to actually mix it and add in the chocolate chips next. So I'm actually using lesser chocolate chips that requested because I didn't really have that much, but I didn't really think that this cookie will be something that I will be into. But I actually regret not adding more chocolate chips because it was really a nice recipe. And yeah, so just add in more chocolate chips. So actually the real recipe we added in 3 cups actually, which I think is too much for this. Even 2 cups maybe too much, but of course depending on your preference. I think 1 cup should be enough. I didn't even add 1 cup and you see it's already just nice, I feel. But of course some of the cookies were missing a bit of chocolate chips, but of course if you want more chocolate, definitely add more. I was thinking of adding in a different kind of chocolate chip cookie, but I didn't want to at the end, so I just wanted to try this out first before I decided if I want to do this again, then maybe I can try it again next time. So just add in everything and mix it. So next you can prepare your pan and then start for the baking of the cookies. Okay, this part is kind of exciting for me because I recently got a new oven, because the oven I was using before was around 8 years old and it's not spoiled, but I wanted something new because I feel like the oven may give up anytime, and you know, then I still may need to get another oven. And also that oven doesn't have a light function inside, which the new one has, so I was really excited to see how it works. And this is me putting it inside, so I was a bit excited on how this was gonna turn out because this is my first time doing oatmeal cookies and I'm not really an oats person. Other than granola, this will be my second go-to because these cookies really turn out amazing. And actually the recipe said that this will be soft cookies, but actually mine are still crispy, so I'm not sure maybe if I overbaked it or something, but it was still fine. So these are my oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. Hope you guys like the recipe and do try if you want. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl, be mine. Baby girl, be mine.